Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Sometimes when you listen to the ruqya, you feel that you're gonna throw up. Okay, you're gonna feel that you're gonna throw up. That feeling is good. That's cancellation the nuts actually in the stomach. If you throw up, that's much better than that nuts coming out from your body. So even sometimes you get burp. Of course, this is a sign of a problem in the stomach, but this is a sign of something, يعني either nuts or jinn inside the stomach. Allahu Alam. So, yeah, but يعني it seems that is if you keep burping, it's an evil eye. Wallahu Alam. يعني sometimes it is سحر مأكول أو مشروب. So as I said, يعني feeling that you're gonna throw up, this is good, very good. يعني one thing is if you keep throw up and there's a saliva coming out. Sometimes with when you finish the saliva, it come out of your stomach something weird, something you eat it before a long time. That is a sihr actually. That is a sihr mixed stuck in your body, in your stomach. The saliva usually is a protection, the sihr. Or the mucus, the mucus is a protection of the sihr. So if you keep throw up, it does help a lot. Even if you put your finger to throw up, it does help too. Yes, inshallah.
Okay,
Barakallah fikum.